So what are you doing here, Brent?
I'm just squaring off the edges so it actually gives us something to bite into on the sides and doesn't sort of slide out.
Right. And how many of these holes would you say you do typically in a day with Easy Street?
Oh, we could do 20 or 30 in a day. You know, it depends on where they are, really.
Yep.
But
I bet you're glad you got Easy Street to help you out.
oh, exactly. I found it. I actually did a pothole the other day around near Charteris Bay, and the water was flowing into it and flowing out. And
Wow.
I thought, oh, I'm dying to see what's going to happen. And I tell you, it came out amazing. I was actually blown away myself.
So now Jake's just giving it a jolly good sweep, just to get the worst of it out. Easy Street's not shy of water, and it's not shy of a few stones. But if we can get the worst of it out, every little helps. And now here we go. Get some good old Easy Street in there. And of course these buckets are made out of recycled New Zealand plastic. Let's not forget that. It's just going to break it around a bit with the shovel. And now we're just going to compact it in. We're leaving a slight crown on it and let the traffic run the rest of it down. Another pothole taken care of after the bad weather.